Um, I want to troubleshoot the central heating heater. That the main what do you call this one circuit breaker shut it off, and then so I tried to trouble, and then I find out that I check one by one. So I find out that I think the problem is the water electric heater. So actually, this one is you can use it by gas and then electric heater to maintain the heat. So now I find out that the problem is by it here. This is the line for the water heater at the top of the tank. So I already removed that the wire supply. So when I remove this, I switch on the water, the circuit breaker, and then it's okay. So I will show you that the water heater is there's a problem. So if you test this, it's open. But if you test, the ground, there's a this is the neutral, this is the live, and then this is the ground. So if you can see that there's a ground, so that's the cost of the circuit breaker shut off. So you can change the heater at the top by here, wait, by here. But if you can condemn this, you can do it. So now I remove this. So I condemn the electric heater. So you can change if you want. Actually, this is the second time that I replace that I what do you call replace. So I don't want to replace anymore. So that's why I bought these things to remove at the top. So since this is the what do you call this one the tools to remove the heater. So I don't want to do it again. So I will condemn the electric heater. So if you remove this and then switch on, it will be fine. So switch off.